Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, August 31st, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. And we're going to do the full top down analysis, meaning that we're going to start on the monthly, work our way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, I've had two possibilities going on the pound dollar for months now. Possibility number one is this is an A. This is three waves down with a lower low wave B, which means that this would likely be an expanding flat, meaning that it would likely take out the high of wave A and wave B, probably all the way up to at least a 1.5 area. That has been my main analysis for a very long time, but we cannot rule out the possibility of this move up right here just being a pullback to this last wave down, and it makes a lower high and continues the downtrend, especially when you zoomed out on these higher time frames. I mean, pretty much every single one of these swings is lower highs. So who's to say that it's not going to make another lower high and potentially start a big move to the downside? So going down to the weekly time frame. Now on the weekly time frame, this is the clue in my eyes because we have high, low, high, low, high, low, high. Nice smooth cycle of price with a break of structure. So on the weekly time frame, technically the trend has turned down because of that break of structure, which means that this move up right here very easily could make a lower high, and push down either in like a big wave three or possibly a wave C. So going down to the daily time frame, we have what looks like a perfect three-way pullback right here. So you would expect that maybe this is just a pullback to the last five waves up, and maybe this is just now going to continue the higher time frame uptrend. But because of the break of structure on the weekly, because of the fact this is impulsive, it looks corrective, it seems like it should make another impulsive. I would kind of expect this to maybe turn into more of a complex pattern, like three waves down for the first three waves of ABC, maybe three waves up for the next three waves, and then that's when we're going to turn down at either another three waves down or potentially a five-wave pattern down. So either way, I think we still need to be primarily looking for longs. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, definitely very corrective looking. I mean, this looks more like a wave A to me. Kind of looks like it tried to make like three waves of B, maybe like a high wave C, and now we're going up. Now, like I was showing on the daily, this is either an A or a 1. This is likely a B or a 2. We are either in a wave 3 or a wave C. Either scenario, I think it needs to go up and take out the high. If it's a wave C, it will take out the high, probably break structure to the downside and make a big downtrend. If it's not a wave C, but it's really a wave 3, it will just continue to make higher highs, higher lows, and we'll just continue to look for longs every single chance we get. So whether we're in a wave three or whether we're in a wave C, the higher time frame, daily time frame is definitely still telling us to look for longs. So while we're looking for longs, hopefully we're going to learn and earn at the same time, whether we're looking at a wave three or whether we're looking at a wave C. So we got our Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move up. I would definitely be paying very close attention to my fib levels, especially if you get like a three-way pullback, a nice engulfing move to the upside, because either way, whether it's a wave three or whether it's a wave C, it seems like we potentially could have more long opportunities. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.